storm surge, as we've talked about, like other impacts well outside of the cone. You could see problematic storm surge issues. And one of the biggest threats we know from a hurricane is storm surge, that flow of water from the ocean, or in this case, the Gulf, onto normally dry land. And using our FloodFX technology, we can show you what that flooding could look like. This is Gulfport, Florida, just south of St. Petersburg in the Tampa Bay area. Water as high as 6 feet here, so you get a sense of the local roadways, businesses that would be inundated. So your vehicle may be underwater, homes underwater here, with up to 6 feet of surge possible. We've also got a look at Cedar Key, Florida. There, we up the ante on the storm surge, could get as high as 9 feet. That is water onto normally dry ground. And remember, you're going to have the wave action on top of that because of the winds from the storm. There's 9 feet of storm surge into Cedar Key. Plenty of homes and roadways completely inundated by water, businesses as well. So keep this in mind. If you live in these evacuation zones and you're told to go, you need to go. Storm surge alerts are already posted. The watches from areas around Apalachicola all through the west coast of Florida because of the motion and location of this storm. We're going to have that onshore push across western Florida, and that would include not just Cedar Key, but down towards Tampa, Sarasota, Fort Myers, even down into the extreme southern parts of the state. Storm surge watch means that life-threatening inundation from rising water is possible within 48 hours. When we get that storm surge warning, life-threatening inundation from rising water is expected within 36 hours. So that would be what we're looking at in this storm. And then storm surge potential. Here you can see 5 to 10, 6 to 10 feet there in the Big Bend area of Florida, 3 to 5 feet down towards Fort Myers and Naples. Wind, one of the factors, really the biggest factor in the surge. The strength of wind is going to affect how much water is pushed on shore. 15 miles per hour difference in wind can raise the surge by several feet. So the stronger storms, Dr. Nab, of course, have higher surge issues, and we expect the winds will really be ramping up with this one.